When you wake up tomorrow, will you remember what happened today? Will you use it in your mind's eye and let it affect your new way of living? When you wake up tomorrow morning, will you think of those you spent the day with, laughing to bitsy and having fun, or just thinking about? Because we all need to use what we've been given by others. What is the way to listen to what we need? And how often do we understand and pay heed? There are many different ways for us to listen to one another. I love to hear from my sisters and brothers. I do. I love to hear from you when you let me know how you're doing. I love to hear you've had your second shot and your worry is not all consuming. I love to know that you've had visitors and that you don't feel all alone. I like to know that you're okay. I just feel better when you check in. You please my heart. It helps me to know that we can impart to one another the knowledge that we're not alone. No matter how we feel, that we can be there for one another. When we're hurt, we can heal together. And so, for some I know it's kind of a pain to see my little green paper airplanes flying around in the little green hue that comes with a hi, hello at the start. But know that when you answer, you are not just helping me, you're helping everyone who stops and looks at that to take heart and to believe in themselves. You're helping everyone to take heart, to take heart. Hi, how are you doing? Thanks for checking in. It's a very important thing to do, I think, to keep in touch with each other and just, yeah, so thanks. Thanks for checking in. I think we help each other a lot. Have a good night. Take care. See you tomorrow, maybe.